Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine at home. Okay, so let's start today's GK class. In today's class, we are going to learn about Indian awards and honors. Okay, so in this exercise, you came to know about different Indian awards and honors which are given in different fields for the distinct contribution of people in various fields. Okay, so let's start. First, we have the Bharat Ratna Award. The Bharat Ratna is the highest civilian honor given for exceptional services towards advancement of art, literature, and science, and in recognition of public service of the highest order. This is India's highest civilian award, and it is given for the highest degree of national services. You all can see here in this picture. This is the picture of the Bharat Ratna Award. You all can see it looks like a peepal tree. Okay, and this is the picture of a rising sun. Okay, in the back side of this leaf, you will find the Satyamev Jayate symbol at the back side of this award. So this is the highest civilian honor in India. Okay. Next, let's know about Padma Awards, because in Padma Awards there are three categories. Okay, and the Padma Awards are one of the highest civilian honor of India, announced annually on the eve of Republic Day. Okay, every year this honor is given. Okay, and the Padma Awards are categorized in three categories. First is Padma Vibhushan, second is Padma Bhushan, and third is Padma Shri. Okay, so Padma Vibhushan Award is given for exceptional and distinguished services in India. Padma Bhushan is given for distinguished services of higher order, and Padma Shri is given for distinct services. Okay, the award seeks to recognize the achievement in all the fields of activities of disciplines where an element of public service is involved. Okay, so these are these awards are involved in each element of public services. Where public services are involved, these awards are given. Okay, I'm showing you the pictures of all three awards. You can see here. First picture is of Padma Vibhushan Award. You all can see Padma Vibhushan is written here also. And this is the picture of Padma Bhushan Award. And third is the Padma Shri Award. Okay. Padma Vibhushan is the second highest civilian honor of India given to an individual for exceptional services rendered to the nation in any field. Okay, so the highest civilian award is the Bharat Ratna Award, and the second one is the Padma Vibhushan Award. Okay, now next award is the Dada Saheb Phalke Award. This award is related to cinema. Dada Saheb Phalke Award is India's highest award in cinema. It is presented annually at the National Film Award ceremony by the Directorate of Film Festivals and organizations set up by the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. Okay, so this is the highest award in the field of cinema. The celebrities who give their contribution in cinema lifelong, they achieved the Dada Saheb Phalke Award. Many of the film stars had won Dada Saheb Phalke Award, like Mr. Amitabh Bachchan, Rekha, and many other are there. Okay. Next we have the Arjun Award. The Arjun Award is related to the sport. This award These awards, the Arjuna Awards, are given by the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports, Government of India, to recognize the outstanding achievement in sports. And this award was started in 1961. Okay, so this award is related to the field of sports. Okay, the outstanding performer in any sports are awarded by this award. This award is given to the sports person to recognize their outstanding achievements in the national sports. Okay, next we have the Param Veer Chakra Award. It is also, in short, it is called the PVC. This is the highest gallantry award for officers and other enlisted personnel of all military branches of India for their highest degree of valor in the presence of the enemy. And this award was introduced on 26th of January 1950. So this is the highest military award of India, and it is given to a soldier for exceptional bravery and sacrifices in war. Okay, next we have the Dronacharya Award. The Dronacharya Award is the award which is given to the best sports trainer and coaches for the outstanding contribution in the field of sports. So means the Arjun Award is given to the Shishya, and this Dronacharya Award is for the Gurus. If you all remember that in Mahabharata, we all knows about the Guru Dronacharya. So this name is Dronacharya Award. Okay, on his name. Okay, the Dronacharya Award, officially it is known as Dronacharya Award for outstanding coaches in sports and games. Okay, it's a sport coaching honor of the Republic of India, and the award is named after Drona, often referred as Dronacharya. Okay, and he is also called Guru Drona. Okay, and as I was saying, he was a character from the Sanskrit epic Mahabharata. On is in India, we all have seen Mahabharata. Yes. Okay, so this award is for all the gurus or for all the sport trainers and coaches for their outstanding contribution in the field of sports. Okay, so I explained you about all the awards. Now you all will complete page number 7, Indian Awards and Honors, of your book. With the help of this video, you will complete the exercise. Okay, so that's all for today. See you in the next class. Take care of yourselves.